Namaste everyone, I'm Saileja. I worked as a TGT Science at Gandhi Public School, Odisha, and currently I'm pursuing for MSc. So these kind of hand-on training programs like PCR and the protein estimation, and today also it is also conducting biochemistry analyzer. So these are basic things that can help me in my career pursuing. So because I'm trying to get in a very good university, so before that I want to experience these things. And today I'm experiencing lots of things. The faculties, the dignitaries, the mentors, everyone is good, and I'm learning so much things, and I'm doing the all experiments, and I'm learning so much things, and I'm hoping these training programs could continue so I can learn more, I can continue more, and this can be help me for my career developing. Thank you so much.